Hello my fellow YouTubers. Today I would like to show you the kitchen remodeling project I did a while ago. I wanted to open up the hallway of the kitchen by removing the walls on both sides. Quickly after I removed some of the drywall materials, I realized those walls were load-bearing. Now if you take a closer look at this picture, you can easily tell a major load-bearing beam, probably 2x12 in the middle, supported by two 4x4s on the sides. All the floor joints were sitting on top of the beam and the wall. The house will collapse without the load-bearing beam, but widening the span is possible. In order to support the second floor structure while widening the beam span, the team started setting up temporary supporting walls in parallel with the beam. Once the temp walls were up, the original load-bearing walls and the beam could go, and then this transferred the whole weight of the second floor to the temp walls. To support the span of 18 foot, the engineer decided to use 6x14 PSL or parallel strength lumber. This will significantly lower the ceiling height if the beam is to sit below the floor joints like the old one. So the hanger method is used for connecting the floor joints, so the top of the new beam can be raised all the way to the upstairs subfloor. The team then started to trim floor joints to make room for the big thick beam and also to make sure each joint will flush against the new beam. The 18-footer PSL is super heavy. It took 5 strong men to hand carry it to the spot, and then a lot of work to install it.